Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Okay. Pediatric tumors. The pediatric tumors, most common, if you see, the most common malignant tumor in infancy, most common extracranial solid tumor in children, or most common abdominal malignancy in children. For all this, most common malignant tumor in infancy, most common extracranial solid tumor in children, or most common abdominal malignancy in children, it is neuroblastoma. Then, most common primary malignant tumor in childhood is Wilms tumor. Primary malignant tumor in childhood is Wilms tumor. Then, most common renal tumor in infancy is most common primary tumor is Wilms tumor. Most common renal tumor in infancy is congenital mesonephric blastoma. Most common soft tissue tumors in infants and children is rhabdomyosarcoma is the most common soft tissue tumor. Then most common solid tumor of the child is brain tumor is the most common solid tumor of the childhood. Then if you were asked what is the most common cancer of childhood, most common cancer of childhood is leukemia followed by brain tumors. So these are the most important, most commons.
thank you and thank you for watching.